Amazon, I did eBay, I did Shopify, I had brick and mortar businesses. Follow me right now as my main objective every day is to try to make money from the stock market. I'm on the road to 3 million. This episode, I'm not sure what it is, but this is just an intro. And right now you can see me break down videos on here on my YouTube. Look at the books, check everything out, and be in touch. Message me through here, Twitter. Get up with me. It's going to be a phone number, an email, and we can talk about any subject, stocks, crypto, what we need to in business. Let's go. Stock goes up about 500%. TCTM stock goes up about 500% today. Yeah, so we'll get right into it, and as we see, the market's been crazy, the market's been going. I'd say we were up on the second or third wheel of that mountain a few times. And in my mind, it was like, okay, do I wait for an indicator to see if the heat's still on? Heat checks, right? Do I keep going with the same aggression? Or do I kind of just play it, level-headed and evenly? So that's been my biggest challenge over the past couple of weeks. But as you see, most of these stocks have still been doing the same thing, right? They still been skyrocketing. They still been doing what we want them to do going along, right? So we'll pull up TCTM right here, and as you see, so we're down at 25 cents. This is earlier this morning, and we get the move from 25 cents to 50. That right there in itself was a 100% move. It opens up out the gate, down in the 40-cent range. Within the next hour, we're at another 100%. You know what I mean? So not that I play it like this at all, and I'm not, suggesting you play it like this. I'm not holding this stock. I don't want anybody that, maybe on the beginner side that wouldn't understand that. But I'm not holding the stock. I'm not telling you to buy it. It might set up for some good dip plays later on in the week, but that's not what I'm here for. That's not what I'm showing you this for. I'm just recapping how the movement. Definitely had news. Can go maybe look at that later. TCTM. Oh wow. Mixed shelf offering was January 15th. So like I said, Friday push, Friday spike. Great move. So it went from 40 cents to 134. Let's look at that. $230, right? Now, obviously, if we stretch it from back here, 700% or whatever, 500%. It's crazy, right? I'll pull up some other stuff that had went, but as you see, like I always say, what asset class even can move 500% in one day? Which one? I don't know any, right? SGN, that went and got destroyed. Let's pull that up. Look at this. It'll push off the gate 150 up to 30% move. Let me just make this so easy for y'all. Here we go. All right. From 2 way back to 1. 50% drop off that cliff. Feels good to recap. Coming in on a Sunday. This is Sunday morning, right? Everything handled that I need to handle as far as now in the day, and I'm just recapping where I would be normally trading. Like, this is important, man. This is when I was just getting destroyed on, stock after stock at a certain point in time, and not knowing, okay, the market's like this, the market. this is what helps you. This is what helps you understand and see like, oh, okay, all these setups failed this week. You think I'm gonna go for that same setup next week? No, I'm not. Right? Uh, it's debatable. You get what I mean, right? You see what works and don't work. You see what's working and not working, right? SGN. Another one. I mean, sure, some people went long this. Nice short, too. I mean, it hits the high of 5, and then you see it closes 30% down, 34% down. Like, that's not what I'm looking for. I know what I wanted to pull up. This is it right here. Look at this. Come on, man. Call these the dip and slip. Y'all see that? I ain't even gonna say too much, to be honest with you. Y'all see that though? I mean, now, I'm not gonna lie. There was a point in time where I mean, even right here, I see the dip buys. Would I have dip bought? Absolutely not, bro. I mean, even here, you got from 50 cent on the chart. It looks weird, but this is a double up right here. See what I'm saying? 50 cent back to, 75%, whatever. 50 cent back up to $1, damn near, off that open. I don't know if under certain people's patterns that would be considered a panic dip buy. For me, I mean, at a point in time, again, you would see this a lot before with these China pump and dump, CLEU, China Education. I think TCTM was a company like that, you know what I mean? Not that did that same action, but that same structure of a company. But as you see, there was even dip buys the next day, 15 up to 20 and this and that. But I don't touch stuff like this no more for a good reason. Let's show y'all this on. Just look at. Imagine if you're holding this up here, at 7. Imagine if you were holding it up here, at 8, damn near, thinking it's gonna break out and from what's that? So in 30 minutes, it went from 7 to 3, 60%, something like that. I mean, Ron, former runner, I think this wasn't what I was looking for. Reborn Coffee, this took a run yesterday. Won't take too much time on this one, but I think it had news. This was a nice trade, so I didn't take this trade. Volkswagen sues India. What happened? I don't know. Sometimes this app doesn't show all the news I'm looking for. Approved that U.S. franchiser. There we go. That's what it was. 8:45. That news went off. Right down in here, the stock was only $2. Ended up at 5. Doubled, right? So in this stock, like I said, this is one of many. And when we look at the cryptos and other stocks and asset classes, what asset class every day is, maybe leveraged or option, things like that, but just straight up cash, I don't know. So I ended there. I won't tell you to like and subscribe, but I'm putting the gems out. So maybe eventually, but yeah, get up with me. I'm putting these videos out as much as I can. Right now, I don't have an editor really, so we working. Get in with me.